Hey, good evening. I am Mr. Bravo, reporting from the Global Affairs tonight, bringing you the most critical geopolitical developments shaping our world today. Let's dive into today's top story. The US China trade and tariff, which began in 2018, has escalated dramatically in 2025, sending shockwaves through the global economy, which raised tariff, retaliatory measures, and shifting trade alliances. Consequences are reverberating worldwide. Let's break into the key developments. Global trade shifts and emerging opportunities. As Washington and Beijing continue their trade confrontations, other economies are stepping into fill the void. The US-China bilateral trade shrinking nations like France and Spain have expanded exports to the US. Overall, global trade has grown by 3%, reflecting a realignment of supply chain as businesses seek alternative partners. Tit for tat tariffs and rising economic tensions. In 2025, the US imposed a 10% tariff on the Chinese imports, promoting swift retaliation from Beijing. China hit back with their tariffs on US crude oil, liquefied natural gas, and agriculture machinery. Additionally, Beijing threatened exports control over crucial minerals, sending shockwaves through industries reliant on Chinese rare earth supplies. These escalating measures have raised alarm at the World Trade Organization and heightened economic uncertainty. Impact on emerging economies. For developing nations, the trade war represents both risk and opportunities. Countries like Mexico and Indonesia are benefiting from supply chain diversification, while others are struggling with China's manufacturing overcapacity. The surge of Chinese electric vehicle and solar panels in the global markets have triggered anti-dumping investigations from Brazil, India, and the European Union as domestic industries attempts to counter the influx of cheap Chinese products. Supply chain disruption and strategic reshoring faced with the rising uncertainties. Multinational corporations are accelerating supply chain diversifications. Reports indicates that 71% of United States CEO and 77% of European CEOs plan to restructure global supply networks in the next 5 years. The push for friendshoring and de-risking has gained traction, and companies shifting products to allied nations. However, reducing reliance on China remains a costly and complex challenge. Economic and geopolitical risk. Concerns of global recessions are mounting, with 46% of CEOs citing the trade war as a top economic threat in 2025. Rising energy prices, supply chain disruptions, and regular uncertainty are exacerbating economic pressures, particularly in Europe and Asia. Meanwhile, the US and EU continue tightening trade restrictions or sensitive technologies, deepening the geopolitical divide between the West and the China. After understanding the tariff war, the visit of Modi to US, it has really strategic implications for China and Pakistan. The recent visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the United States in February 2025 has significant implications for a regional geopolitical situation, particularly concerning China and Pakistan. Here are few of the key outcomes of Modi's US visit. Strengthening defense and strategic ties. India and the United States launched the US India Compact for the 21st century, focusing on military cooperation, trade, technology. Plans include co-production of defense systems such as Javelin anti-tank guided missiles and Striker infantry combat vehicles, along with deeper collaboration in space, air defense, and maritime security. The US is also reviewing its policy to potential supply India with fifth generation fighter jets F 25 with advanced undersea system, reinforcing Indian role as a key U.S. partner in the Indo-Pacific. Trade and economic cooperation. Both nations have set a target to double bilateral trade to 500 billion by 2030 under the Mission 500 initiative. This includes an ongoing negotiation for a bilateral trade agreement (BTA) expected by late 2025. India has already reduced tariffs on US exports such as motorcycles and ICT goods, signaling a commitment to addressing trade imbalances. In energy and technological partnerships, the USA India has been reinforced, expanding cooperation in oil, gas, and civil nuclear energy. The US also backed Indians' bid to join the International Energy Agency. The Trust initiative aimed to advance collaboration in AI, semiconductors, and critical minerals, positioning India as a rising hub for the cutting edge technological developments. Quad and Indo Pacific focus. Modi invites President Trump to the upcoming Quad's Leader Summit, reaffirming India's commitment to Indo Pacific security and aligning with US efforts to counterbalance China influence in the region. Now, coming over to facts on China. China sees the expanding US Indian defense and technological partnership as a direct challenge and threat to its regional influence. The co-production of advanced military system and Indian growing integration into US-led supply chains are viewed as strategic threats. Some Chinese analysts fear this could disturb the recent stabilization of Sino-China relation, particularly on the border tension and trade cooperation. The US Indian collaboration in semiconductors, AI, and critical minerals is perceived as an effort to reduce reliance on Chinese supply chains, exacerbating tensions. If India aligns more closely with the US led economic restrictions on China, this could impact global market dynamics, particularly in technology and energy sector. China is closely monitoring Indian expanding military capabilities and its growing role in the Quad, which Beijing views as a containment strategy. The potential deployment of US made F 36 jets in India could escalate regional armed competition and increase military tension. Now, coming over to facts on Pakistan. The growing US India strategic partnership reduces Pakistan's relevance in Washington's regional strategy. Pakistan's heavy reliance on China through CPEC faced additional pressure, especially with China gaining favor in US led economic initiatives. The US India Defense Agreement, particularly advanced military scale, could heighten Pakistan's security concern regarding Kashmir and border tension. Pakistan's fragile economy, stability, and dependence on Chinese investment makes it more vulnerable to shift regional power dynamics. As Indian strengthening its global influence, Pakistan risks further diplomatic isolation. Efforts to engage with the US are being overshadowed by Washington's strategic prioritization of India as a key regional partner. For concluding, the escalating US China trade war and Modi high profile visit to the US are reshaping global power dynamics. The US India alliance is strengthening in defense, trade, and technology, signaling a major shift in regional geopolitics. For China, the deepening partnership represents economic and strategic challenges, intensifying competition in the technology, energy, and military affairs. For Pakistan, it underscores growing diplomatic and economic hurdles as Washington's focus on China regional role continues to rise. With global trade disruptions, realigned alliance and increasing military tension, the world stand as a critical crossroad. The future of globalization, economic stability, and regional security remains uncertain as the geopolitical battles unfold. That's wrap up tonight's top geopolitical updates. What are your thoughts on these pressing issues? Let's keep the conversation going in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and stay informed the global affairs tonight. Until next time, stay engaged and stay awake. I was Mr. Bravo. Good night. Bye bye.